Not a single person asked me if I could run fast in my new shoes today. Being an adult is stupid.
Hi there. Is there a project you're working on?
I know more than you.
All right.
Yeah, there's a problem.
Oh my god, it's actually worse than I thought. Are you alright?
Yeah. It's really hot.
Yeah. You good?
Did you need a garbage can or?
For what? Like the scraps or like?
Oh, I guess you brought your kid to work today? Where's the little guy?
I don't have any kids.
No.
What do you mean?
Oh, you got the Ryobi.
Yeah, they're good, man. For the price point, they're great. Like working with these is just fantastic.
Yeah, no.
Yeah. No, they're awesome.
Yeah. You know what? After looking at this, I think I'm okay with it. It's kind of growing on me.
Yeah? Just the water damage in your house you're fine with?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I think I'm okay with the water damage in the house. I've been looking at getting an indoor pool. The kids would love it.
I could do this right now. It'd take me like 30 minutes, not it?
Yeah. No, it's good. I like this how it is now.
Yeah, you'll inhale the mold that's just coming down your walls.
How's it going, fellas?
Yeah, all finished, boss.
Deepest well we ever dug.
What's that light at the bottom?
Well, we followed the plans.
You're supposed to be building a lighthouse.
It's Fuck It Friday. Ain't stopping until I get paid.
If I ever find one of these lying around again, I swear to fucking God, I will stop being so polite. Get the fuck out of my sight before I demolish you.
This is Sparta!
Did you hear that?
It's Fuck It Friday. Just finishing this small plumbing leak in the client's bathroom. I'm not sure if I'm going to get this capped off before 5 o'clock. Well, at least they have good water pressure. I think it might be time for me to ditch out of here. Hey lady, can you start shampooing this shit up? I'll be back on Monday. You won't believe what lengths I went to just to iron my shirt before work. So fresh and clean, just like my Snoop Doggy drizzle. It's Fuck It Friday. Just finished this drywall just in time for the weekend. Yeah, I used 4 pounds of screws, but I really couldn't see the studs, being that they are now covered in drywall and whatnot. I mean, it's not coming off if that's what you're worried about. Anyways, enough work talk. Let's go get a beer. Either way, got paid. This is how you sand a floor on a Sunday. One hand on a beer and the other on the remote. It's Monday morning and I just finished this plumbing repair. Easy start to my week.
Oh! God damn! Oh, boy.
Well, shit. It is a Monday, I guess. Anyone got a mop? When you get the bill from your plumber. It's F it Friday. Just finished this fence and it looks pretty good if you ask me. The client was a little concerned about the openings at the bottom of the fence as her dog might get out. We assured her that we will get it covered up with some chicken wire and she will be good to go. Either way, I think we do some beautiful work. See you guys on Monday. This lady called us on Christmas Day to see if we could repair their gingerbread house before their Christmas party started. We tried to explain that we're not that type of contractor, but she said she would pay any price, so here we are. Merry Christmas, everyone. And no, we did not really make this. We are builders, not miracle workers. Jim does not dream of a white Christmas, but rather a red Christmas. Boxes filled with endless Milwaukee tools. However, Jim's wife thought it would be funny to fill her husband's boxes full of Ryobi tools. Now Jim and Karen are getting divorced. The lesson in all of this? Don't be a Karen. It's F it Friday. Just finished framing this beautiful 2-story home just in time for the weekend. Clients paid me top dollar. Oh crap. No refunds. Either way, got paid. Anyone got a match? I was never here.
I decided to bring you guys onto a job site, kind of show you some of the things that we've been working on. So anyways, it should be lunchtime, so some of the guys might not be here, but... Hey guys, I don't think that's gonna fit. Guys? Hey Ryan, you're supposed to put it in the... No? Okay. Okay, I'm getting out of here. I think I've seen enough. What the hell?